Hey guys, Sawyer here with Papé Machinery Ag and Turf, here to talk about the 3E series. In this lineup, we have the 3025E, the 3032E, and the 3038E. Today, we're going to focus on the 3025E. Now with John Deere, the last two numbers is going to be your engine horsepower. So this machine has a 25 horsepower engine and an 18 horsepower PTO. That PTO, again, is going to dictate the size of implement you can run. So the most common implement on this tractor people get is a rotary cutter. You're going to put about a 5-foot rotary cutter out the back, and that's what's going to knock down a lot of your brush or blackberries and thorns. This loader is going to lift about 1,200 pounds. It comes in a hydrostatic drive. So let's look at how we do that. So on this machine, you have the key that turns just like ignition in a car. You have lights, a hazard, blinkers, and then you can change between the display on here for your PTO, engine horsepower or hours. To adjust and go from high to low gear, you just pull the lever. You have your parking brake, just like in a car. Four-wheel drive, you just pull up on the lever or compress it. You have a brake here as well, and if you want to use the differential lock, which locks your rear tires, you just partially compress it. On the other side now, this will be our loader control. Our PTO switch to engage the rear PTO will be right here. We can use our 3-point adjust, high and lower, right here. We have a pretty standard seat that we can slide forward and back. This machine does not come with a mid-PTO, so you can't put a belly mower on this model. You can on the 3R series, which we'll be covering in another video. A customer that might want this machine may have about 3 or 4 to 10 acres. That way they can go out, knock down any brush or till up some lawn. Maybe they want a box grade or gravel driveway, or lift about 1,200 pounds with the bucket. This is going to be our pretty standard, most popular plain Jane model in the 3 series.
All right, sounds good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's toolkit video. If you want to see more, check out these videos here and here. Please subscribe to see more content that we're going to be putting out. If you want to follow us on our social media accounts, check out our Facebook and Instagram below. And if you want to do a favor for us, if you have any questions, please comment. We're happy to make any videos that you guys have. We'll see you next time.